welcome back to my channel, Darice's Daily Deets, where I discuss everything from fashion, beauty, luxury to lifestyle. As you can tell by the title, this is going to be another video just highlighting this Calpak Luka Duffle bag that you guys all love oh so much. And basically, I am going to just be doing a pack with me because I am getting ready to go on vacation. I'm going to visit a friend in Chicago, and I am bringing my daughter with me for the first time ever on a plane. And of course, I thought I would take you guys on this journey with me, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to be packing my daughter's things inside of that Calpak bag. But before we get started, if you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you have not hit the notification bell yet, please do that as well. And then of course, make sure you're commenting, sharing, and basically just coming back weekly, because I am consistently uploading videos once a week now, and you don't want to miss when I'm doing that. But without further ado, we're going to go ahead and just jump right into the video. Okay guys, yes, so we are leaving tomorrow mid-afternoon, maybe around like 1, but I'll be, of course, heading out of my home around like 11. And I'm like, I need to go ahead and get packed. So yes, I literally am recording this video a day before I leave, April 27th to be exact. And I was like, well, let me go ahead and just pack this with you guys, because I did one of these for Miami, but unfortunately, I didn't end up going on that trip, so I unpacked it, but I just, I didn't even bother putting it up. So now it's time for me to go ahead and just show you kind of how I pack this bag, because I get so many questions still to this day about this bag. I even have people asking me, do I have a link, a referral, all of that. So I'm going to go ahead and just put that in the description bar. I am going to put like a referral link down there if you guys want to shop this bag. But of course, if you want to see how or what all can fit inside of here, keep watching. So basically, I have just a pile of stuff here that I'm going to just be showing you kind of how it all fits in here. Some things are like her pajamas, and then I have like some outfits that I may have to take off the hanger. We'll see. But first things first is just this little shirt here. So I'm going to go ahead and just fold that up, place that in the inside. And then literally I just have like these things are basically already folded, guys. So here's like a stack of clothes here that I'm going to just go ahead and just sit. And as you can see, I'm just fitting it right like in the inside of this. This holds a ton. So this isn't all the stuff I'm going to be putting in here, but this is going to be the bulk of it. And then of course, I just have all of these outfits here. So I'm going to go ahead and just see how it does with the hangers on it, because to be honest, when you have kids' clothes, I don't really feel like taking each one of these off the hanger. So let me go ahead and just see how that does. I know I'm going to save space, but of course on the way back, I'll do that. But look how much space I still have left. And that was literally like everything. Wow, that was fast. Look, you guys are helping me out more than you thought. And then I just have this last outfit here, which is just super cute. And my daughter, she's like in a size 12, well, mainly 18 months now. She's going on 16 months, May the 10th actually. So yeah, so literally I just stuffed all of that in there. And as you can see, I have a ton of space left, y'all. Because again, remember, this was my carry-on bag. If you haven't watched my last Calpak video, I highlight about how this was my carry-on bag for when I went to Texas. I literally did a Spirit flight, and this was the only bag I brought. I had 2 pairs of heels in here. No, I think 3. 2 pairs of heels, a pair of shoes, y'all. A lot of stuff fit in this bag. But I'm just going to just showing you now that literally I'm just throwing all her stuff in there. Didn't do anything special, and it's still fitting just fine. Now here is like a whole set of like onesies right here. And honestly, I probably could fit this whole thing in there. And I probably just will bring them just to have, just in case, because you can never have too many. You just want to be prepared when you are going on these trips. And this is my first time ever doing it. And then I'm going to go ahead and just bring this dress here. I mean, why not? It can fit. It's super cute. I got this from Target for her. And I figured she might can do a look where she kind of dresses this down with maybe some sneakers. I think that'd be super cute, actually. So if it's warm enough one day, she'll definitely have this on. The jacket that she'll be wearing, I'm not going to pack it because she's going to have it on, and she'll just kind of keep that same jacket consistently. But honestly, guys, there's a jacket in here, a jean jacket to be exact, attached to one of these outfits. So she can always break this out too on one of the days here. I'm trying to see if I could get it out. So as you can see, this fits quite a bit. So this is like a whole outfit with the jean jacket, and I still have so much space. Like, this is crazy. Now, I have my own separate suitcase. This is literally just her portion of the items that I kind of wanted to come on camera and pack with you guys, because I just wanted to kind of give you guys a gauge, again, of what all could fit in here. And look at how much space I have. Like, literally, like, this is still like a pretty open bag. This is going to be used as my carry-on bag on the flight as well. But yeah, so then she has her shoes. So I'm going to be packing her 3 pairs of shoes in here, and I want to put them in the bottom compartment. So first pair of shoes are these really cute little boots for her. I want to go ahead and just add them in here at the bottom area. So if you guys are not aware, this bag does come with an extra compartment for, I guess it's for anything you want, but I use it for shoes, and I honestly should have put the shoes in first, to be honest. I always seem to forget that. But I'm gonna go ahead and just add those in right now so you guys can kind of see how I'm gonna end up getting all 3 pairs of her shoes right at the bottom of here, where that way they're not like touching her outfits or messing anything up. So as you can see, I'm just sliding them down. So you probably won't see, because it does have black interior, which is something that I'm like, don't know how I feel about that. I'm gonna zip this bag up for now, just so the things that are inside of it don't fall out while I'm trying to pack it. So my last video I did was an unpack with me. So this is just showing you that, okay, that's her first pair of shoes. No, granted, they are kids' shoes, I get it. But I'm still want to just kind of come on here and show you that you can get a nice bit of stuff in here. Then, of course, there's these. These are just a cute pair of little denim shoes. Again, Target. Majority of all these shoes is from Target, y'all. Clothes, shoes, all of that. Target's my go-to. So literally that pair is down there. Still a ton of space. And then her last pair that I'm going to bring is going to be these Air Force Ones. Just, you can't go wrong with this. So all white pair of Air Force Ones, because, you know, these are very versatile. These can pretty much go with all the outfits that I'm bringing with her. But for the purposes of her being able just to switch it up on some days, I'm gonna go ahead and just bring these. And yeah, all 3 pairs, as you can see, I just did it like one, and then I put another one, and then another one, and they all fit right here. And I still have a lot of space left. So I'm gonna show you next what I'm gonna do about diapers, because there's extra compartments on this bag. So another thing that I love about it, there's this whole front pocket. Now this whole front pocket right now has her socks and some other little things. This can come out, I'm not sure what that is. But so I just have some medicine in here, because you just never know. Not that I'm thinking anything's gonna happen, but I just wanna be triple prepared. Extra, triple, whatever you wanna say. Here are some teething rings. I guess I'll bring these. These aren't really that necessary, so I actually may leave. I'll bring one. She doesn't really use those anymore, but they're good to have. So of course, so yeah, she has a couple of pair of socks in here. I'm gonna be adding more to here, but that's kind of what's gonna go in the front compartment. And everything else that I add to this bag is just gonna be like little stuff for the plane, like her snacks. And I still have plenty of space. Like you see, I have plenty of space. I have pockets on the inside of here where nothing is in them that I can get to. I'm gonna put like my laptop in here. Just things that I need to get to quickly. And I have a slot in here for that, which is back here. I'll go ahead and add that in once I charge it. But yeah, here's just some diapers that I kind of wanted to show you how I'll do those. There's an extra compartment on the side, which actually, no, I don't like that. Okay, so here, there's a pocket. I literally just put some diapers right in this pocket right here. I'm gonna put some diapers on the front pocket as well, because that's just a place that I wanna have easily accessible to me. You just never know. So I'm literally just taking, here's a stack of like 4. There's already 4 in here. I'm gonna buy more when I get there, of course, but these are just my travel diapers, because you never know. It's not a long flight, only like an hour long from here to Chicago. I'm in Cleveland or Ohio, so we're not too far on of a plane ride, but still, I just want to be super prepared. So yeah, that is pretty much all of what I'll be bringing. I want to bring some wipes too, and I'll add those in a second. But I really wanted to mainly come on here and just show you how much you can get in here. So this is like, oh, I mean, this is literally like 8 outfits. I kid you not. So, I mean, you guys help me out, because now she is pretty much packed. Anything else that I add to this is just going to be something extra. But here it still zips perfectly. Like I said, her snacks and everything will be what I bring. You know, that's like last minute stuff that I'll put in here tomorrow. I'm not going to put any snacks in here now. But yeah, I'll have those available. And yeah, I mean, it's still plenty of room. I still have this side pocket here. And this is kind of where I'm going to have like, oh, there's a comb in here now, which I will need. But this is like the pocket where I'm going to just have like my charger, my phone, unless it's in my pocket, because I will be wearing a jacket with pockets. But yeah, so pretty much that's it. I mean, this is not really that heavy. I'm going to have the stroller with me too, so that's going to help. You know, I'm not really going to be physically carrying this through the airport, so that's also going to be something that I'm looking forward to. But other than that, yes, that brings us to the end of the video. So hopefully this video was helpful to you, and that, you know, you can see another way that this bag can be used. You know, it's a great diaper bag. As you can see, this is more like a diaper vacation type of bag in this video. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you want to see any other videos regarding this bag. Again, I will put all the links and everything in the description bar. And then if you made it this far, of course, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.